Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about Rational Root Theorem. Now, what is Rational Root Theorem? Rational Root Theorem is a method that we can use in order for us to determine the possible zeros of a polynomial function. So, let's have an example. So, for example, we're asked to find the possible zeros of the polynomial function f of x is equal to 6x raised to 4 minus 7x raised to 3 minus 4x squared minus 7x minus 2. So, our first step is for us to identify the value of our p and the value of our q. For the value of p, it is the constant term of our polynomial. So, it is negative 2. So for our q, it is the numerical coefficient of our leading term. In this case, it is 6. So after finding the value of p and q, we will find the factors of our p and q. So the factors of negative 2 are positive negative 1 and positive negative 2. Next, let's identify the factors of 6. So we have positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 3, and positive negative 6. Next, we have to find the value of our p over q. So, p over q will give us the possible zeros of our polynomial function. So, we will divide our factors of p by the factors of q. So, let's start with dividing our factors of p by 1. So, 1 divided by 1 is positive negative 1. 2 divided by 1 is positive negative 2. Next, let's divide the factors of p by positive negative 2. So, we have 1 divided by 2. That will give us positive negative 1/2. Let's divide 2 divided by 2. That is positive negative 1. So, no need for us to rewrite positive and negative 1 because we already have a value of positive negative 1 here. Next, let's divide the factors of p by 3. So, 1 divided by 3, that will give us positive negative 1/3. And 2 divided by 3 is going to be positive negative 2/3. Okay? And last one, let's divide our factors of p by positive negative 6. So, let's divide 1 divided by 6 is positive negative 1 over 6. And 2 divided by 6, that will give us 2 over 6. And 2 over 6 can be simplified as 1/3. So, no need for us to place 2 over 6 because we already have the value of that one, which is 1/3. And that's it. That will be our possible zeros. So our possible zeros of these polynomial functions are the following: positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 1/2, positive negative 1/3, positive negative 2/3, and positive negative 1 over 6. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.